Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today I'm sharing a fun and completely free way to upgrade your Discord profile with stylish avatar decorations. Why spend money when you can add some flair to your profile for free? Let's jump right into it and explore how you can do this easily. Step-by-step guide. Start by visiting a special website that lets you customize your Discord avatar for free. The link is in the description below. Once on the site, you can either upload your current profile picture, add an image from your computer, or use one of their adorable pre-made avatars. After uploading your picture, you'll see a live preview of your design. Browse through the collection of avatar decorations available. There are so many cool options to choose from. Applying the decorations, click on any decoration to preview how it looks with your profile picture. It's like trying on outfits, but for your avatar. Once you've picked the perfect decoration, hit the Save Image button to download it. For Discord Nitro users, if you're a Nitro subscriber, you can save the animated version of your avatar directly by selecting Save Animated Image. For non-Nitro users, no Nitro? No problem. Select the Extract Still Image option. From there, choose the frame with your preferred design and download it as a still image. Uploading to Discord. Finally, upload your new avatar to Discord, and voila, your profile is now leveled up with a cool design. Your friends are bound to notice and ask how you did it. That's it for today's guide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips. Let me know in the comments how your new avatar turned out. See you in the next one.